Okay, welcome again to the part 19 on the exercise 4F. The problem number 4. Find the value of k for which the following equations has real and equal roots. Okay, for having real and equal roots, what the discriminant should be? It should be equal to 0. Okay, it should be equal to 0. Now for the first problem here, solution for this: for the given equation to have real and equal roots, the discriminant should be 0, isn't it? That is, b square minus 4ac should be 0. What is b? B is minus 5. This minus 5 square minus 4. What is a? A is 3. And what is c? C is 2k. This should be 0. Minus square plus 5 square is 25. Minus, multiplying these 4, 3, 12, 12 to 24k is equal 0. Taking this 20k to right side, this means 24k it is equal to 25, which give us k equal 25 by 4. Okay, now the next one, here also same thing. For the given equation to have real and equal root, discriminant should be 0. That is, b square minus 4c should be 0. What is b? B is k. What is a? A is 4. What is c? C is 9. That is, k square minus 4, 4, 9 equals 0. K square minus 144 is 0. K square is equal, take to the right side, is 144, or k will be plus minus root over of 144. What is square root of 144? It is 12, because 12 square is 144. Therefore, the value of k either should be plus 12 or minus 12. Now number 3. For the given equation to have real and equal roots, again discriminant should be 0. That is, b square minus 4c should be 0. And what is a, b, c here? A is 9, b is minus 24, and c is k. That is, minus 24 square minus 4, a is 9, c is k equals 0. Now minus square is plus, 24 square is 576, and here we have minus 4936k equals 0. Now take this 36k to right, you have on left you have 576 equal 36k, or 36k equal 576, which give us k equal 576 by 36 or 16. Okay, now with the next number, same thing here also. For the given equation 9x square minus kx plus 81 equals 0, to have real and equal roots, discriminant should be 0. That is, b square minus 4ac should be 0. Or what is a, b, c here? A is 9, b is minus k, and c is 81. Therefore, we'll have minus k square minus 4a is 9, c is 81 equals 0. Minus square is plus k square, you have k square, and multiplying these 3, you have 2916 equals 0. Taking this to the right side, you have k square equal 2916. Then k will be plus minus root over of whatever is having on the right side, is 2916, and square root of this one, 2916, is 64. Therefore, the value of k should be either one be taken with plus, that is 54, and the other will be minus 54. Okay, now here 2916, if you find the factor, you will get 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. All of them are having in pair, 2 square, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square is sign of square root. Therefore, the square, these two who are having square, they can take outside of the root sign. You have this 2, you have to take outside, 2, 3, 3, 3. On multiplying these 4 numbers, 2, 3, and then 3, and then 3, you are getting 54. Hence, the value of k is plus minus 54. Okay, now this is the end of this part 4 and part 19, and I hope you are clear with this, and we shall continue it again on the next class.